So let's say we want to find the length of y is x to the 4th over 16 plus 1 over 2x squared from x equal 2 to x equal 3. So what we want to do here is, here's our f of x. So we first want to find our f prime of x. And let's write this as 1/16 x to the 4th plus 1/2, and then x squared in the denominator is x to the negative 2 in the numerator. So then our f prime, 4 times 1/16, 4/16 is 1/4 down in front. X, decrease our exponent, cubed. And then negative 2 times 1/2 out in front. So minus 1, and we don't have to write the 1. And then x, and then decrease our exponent, so negative 2 minus 1, negative 3, which is 1/4 x cubed minus 1 over x cubed, right? Negative exponent means take a reciprocal and change it to positive. So now let's find this expression, 1 plus f prime squared. We'll simplify that. So this will be 1 plus, and then our f prime is right here. So 1/4 x cubed minus 1 over x cubed, and that guy gets squared. So that means multiply this by itself. So 1 plus, let me go ahead and copy this and paste it. So you multiply it by itself twice. So we want to FOIL that out. So this would be 1 plus. So let's see here. First terms, 1/16 x to the 6th. Remember, when you multiply, you add exponents. Outer terms, 1/4 x cubed, and then this is really x to the negative 3, or x to the third times 1 over x to the third. The x cubes will cancel, right? So that's just going to be a minus 1/4. Inner terms, same thing. The x cubes will cancel, minus 1/4. And then last terms here, negative times negative, positive. 1 over x to the 6th, right? Multiply numerators, multiply denominators, add exponents. And then positive 1, and then this is a negative 2/4 or negative 1/2. So 1 minus 1/2 will be 1/2. So we've actually got 1/16 x to the 6th, and then plus 1/2, and then plus 1 over x to the 6th. And then we're going to put that inside a square root. So what we did was we figured the inside, the 1 plus f prime squared, that's right here. Well, notice that this is just what we had here, minus 1/2, but now it's a plus 1/2. So we can FOIL backwards on this, and it turns out that's a perfect square. And that happens a lot with these questions, so kind of watch out for that. So you want to FOIL backwards. First terms have to multiply to give 1/16 x to the 6th, so square root of 1/16 is 1/4. I'll have a 1/4 here. Square root of x to the 6th is x cubed, and x cubed. And then inner and outer terms are positive, so plus, plus. And then last terms have to multiply to give x to the 6th, so 1 over x cubed, 1 over x cubed. Square root of x to the 6th is x cubed. And then we can double check here. So our first terms, 1/16 x to the 6th. Outer terms would be 1/4. Inner terms, another 1/4. X cubes cancel, right? So 1/4 plus 1/4, 1/2. Last terms, 1 over x to the 6th, right here. So that works. So this is just 1/4 x cubed plus 1 over x cubed. And that is multiplied by itself twice. So that's the inside of the integral right there. So our arc length now is going to be integral a to b, so that's 2 to 3, so integral 2 to 3, square root 1 plus f prime squared, that's this guy right here, 1/4 x cubed plus 1 over x cubed, and that quantity is squared, and then dx. And then check it out, square and a square root are going to cancel each other. They're inverse operations. So this is now integral from 2 to 3, 1/4 x cubed plus 1 over x cubed, and no more square root. And this is just going to be power rule. We know how to integrate that. So let's write that 1 over x cubed as x to the negative 3 power. So here, raise the exponent, divide by the new exponent. It'd be x to the 4th over 4. There's already a 1/4 in there. So this will be x to the 4th over 16. Because you've got 2 4s in the denominator. And then plus and increase our exponent. So x to the negative 2. And then divide by negative 2, divide by the new exponent. And then we're going to be evaluating that from 2 to 3. Well, this is x to the 4th over 16. And then we can bring that minus sign out in front and bring our x to the negative 2 down to the bottom as a positive 2. So 1 over 2x squared. And we're evaluating that from 2 to 3. So plug in 3 both places. So this will be 3 to the 4th over 16 minus 1 over 2 times 3 squared. And then minus, plug in 2 both places. So 2 to the 4th is 16. So 16 over 16 minus 1 over 2 times 2 squared, 2 times 4. And that's a numerical answer. So we've got it. Just need to plug in the calculator and simplify. So we've got an exact arc length there. So notice here that what we ended up with, this 1/4 x cubed plus 1 over x cubed, that was exactly this thing, but the sign in the middle has changed. And that happens a lot when you have these functions that have powers in the numerator and then powers in the denominator added. So just kind of watch for that. That's one possibility when you're dealing with an arc length integral.